This is the trick hotel maids use to fold a fitted sheet into a perfect square. Grab two corners of the sheet and tuck them into the opposite ends. Straighten the sides and fold it into a rectangle. Finally, fold the rectangle's edges, sliding one into the other. That way, nothing comes undone. The result? A perfectly folded sheet that takes up minimal space. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. Throw this in with your curtains, and they'll be whiter than ever before. It's the most effective method. Curtains quickly collect dust, dirt settles on them, and they lose their bright color. Just wash them as usual, but with a few simple additions. You only need 2 things. Put the curtains into the washing machine and add an aspirin tablet. Aspirin breaks down residue, refreshes the fabric, and helps it regain its lightness and softness. Close the drum and open the detergent drawer. Now, grab some baking powder and pour it into the detergent compartment. It works like a natural whitener and removes the grayish tint that builds up over time. Into the fabric softener compartment, add white fabric softener. This will make your curtains not only fresh and soft, but also keep their snowy white color for longer. Set the washer to the hand wash program at 85 degrees Fahrenheit and start it. Once the cycle is done, you'll see the difference. The curtains will be clean, fresh, and brilliantly white again. It only takes a moment. Enjoy your beautiful curtains. A simple trick, with results like they're brand new. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have one item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products.